When it comes to developing leaders, Andrew Carnegie, a successful industrialist, once said, "People are developed the same way gold is mined. When gold is mined, tons of dirt are taken out so that you can get an ounce of gold." No one enters the mine looking for dirt. One enters looking for gold. When we are developing leaders around us, there may be behaviors that we would need to correct in individuals as we train and guide them. But always remember, dig deeper. Focus on the potential of people. That's the reason why they are on your team. Approach people just like you are mining for gold. Thank you for watching.